it's important to remember the artists that contributed to dancehall and reggae in a real way because the people have left an impact on music and culture. Our culture didn't start today, so we have to go back and listen to the ones who paved the way. Welcome to Renegade Crew TV Action to talk about the legend and this thing. Capleton, a beacon of consciousness in reggae music. Early life in music journey, born in April 13, 1967, St. Mary, Jamaica, Clifton George Bailey III, known by his stage name Capleton, emerged in a pivotal future in the reggae and dancehall scene. Raised in a devout Christian household, his early exposure to music came to the church choir. However, allure Jamaica's vibrant music culture, which is the roots deeply embedded in reggae dancehall, eventually captivated Capleton's soul. Capleton's journey in the music industry began in the late 80s when he started to perform local sound systems, honing his lyrical prowess. His distinctive vocal style, socially conscious lyrics quickly garnered attention, setting him apart from his contemporaries. Inspired by the likes of Bob Marley, of course, Peter Tosh, Burning Spear, Capleton music carried the torch of reggae revolutionary spirit into a new era. Conversation to Rastafari and influence of Garnet Silk, Capleton's spiritual awakening, subsequent conversation to Rastafari marked his point in life and career. Embracing the principle of Rastafari not only to transform his personal philosophy, but deeply influence his music. It was during this transformation period that Capleton found inspiring in a fellow artist, Garnet Silk, a reggae singer known for his soul stirring performances and profound Rastafari beliefs. Garnet Silk's impact Capleton was profound, shaping his understanding of Rastafari and influenced the themes and messages in his music. Silk's untimely death in 1994 served as a catalyst for Capleton to carry the torch forward, ensuring the flame of consciousness continued burning brightly in the reggae genre. Consistent artistry enduring relevance, Capleton committed to his craft, and messages embedded in the music has been unwavering throughout the years. His debut album, Capleton Prophecy, released 1995, marked the beginning of a prolific career that has seen numerous albums, collaboration, and international recognition. From the conscious anthems like Jaja City, the energetic dancehall, Capleton's versatility has all allowed him to resonate with a diverse audience while maintaining the roots in reggae and Rastafari. Unlike some artists who fade with time, Capleton has continued to soar, adapting his evolving sound. His ability to stay relevant over the ever changing musical landscape is a testament to his enduring talent and the timeless nature of his socially conscious music. Live performance in 2023 Sting concert, Capleton electrifying the stage present has been a hallmark in his career. His live performances are not mere concerts, they are a spiritual experience that leave a lasting impact on audiences. In 2023 and beyond, Capleton remains to sort out his inclusion of prestigious thing cultures testament, known for his legendary clashes and forgettable moments in reggae and dancehall history. He provides Capleton with the performance to showcase his continued relevance and connect the new generation with music enthusiasts. His performance is sure to be a highlight as fans anticipate the fusion, a classic hit, uh, fresh sound that defines the essence of Capleton, crossing musical boundaries, collaborations with deep rooted in reggae. Capleton has demonstrated an ability to transcend music boundaries and collaboration with artists from various genres. One notable collaboration with internationally renowned DJ Khaled that lines underscored Capleton's ability to connect to different parts of the music world, showcase universal appeal of his music. Collaborations like Holla at Me Baby featuring Little Will, Paul Wall, Fat Joe, and Rick Ross have not only expanded Capleton's reach, but also solidified his position as a versatile artist, Capleton, capable of navigating the complexity of this music world. Capleton journey from his Hill St. Mary to global stage, commitment to conscious music and principles to Rastafari as he continues to inspire, uplift audience with his powerful message, dynamic performances. Capleton remains a beacon of consciousness in ever-evolving landscape of reggae and dancehall. His story is not just a biography, but chronicle the music prophet who impacted reverberates through the music world. We should start giving him his props. These are came first, for paved the way to music and uplift the indelible mark so many individuals. So let's not forget him by remembering the people and the moments that shaped the music in our culture. Reggae and dancehall is the most influential genre ever. Subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm saying because it's free. Like and subscribing don't cost a thing. Come back to Dancehall Dynasty.